Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can print your Canva design as a t-shirt, poster, hoodie, or really anything. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new MacBook Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open your Canva design, and when you have your design open, to print your design, you just have to tap on the top right corner on this little share icon, and here if you scroll down to the bottom of the list, you will see the print section. Now go to see all, and then it's going to open up a huge list, and you can print your designs using Canva services and print your design on a hoodie, sweatshirt, tote bag, t-shirt, banner, business card, rounded business card, canvases square, posters, flyers, gift certificates, and really anything. They have a huge list, and I think this is a very great integrated service inside the app. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.